Hello, welcome to part 3 of Feelings in Bemba translated to English. So today we'll be learning about the feelings, and some of the words here are not necessarily feelings, but they describe actions that would arouse like deep emotions in people. So in tipu or tipa is to curse, pata to hate, sakamana or ua sakamana to be anxious, and ua sakamana describes the current state of a person. So when somebody is experiencing anxiety, we can say that na sakamana, ole monka ua sakamana. And then temwa is to love or like. Again, it depends on the context because we know that love is of a much higher degree than like. Tuka or insele is to insult. So in this case, you may be surprised about like insult and curse because in English they can both be used. But a curse like literally means like a pronouncement of like bad luck or wishing bad on someone. So it's like in a much worse context than insult. And so the examples of love or temwa is I love you, nalikutemwa. I love you so much, nalikutemwa sana. A loved one, temwikwa. And then love never fails. Ukutemwa takupwa. I really love what we're doing with this channel, and I'm so grateful for the support. And I would love if you could join hands with me and share this channel to the people that would need it most and like the video so that we can continue supporting this work. Thank you so much.